Hi guys! Another video! We are back in our unboxing serye. I'm unboxing with Bran, this air purifier that I got again sa Lazada. Honestly, I prefer to buy online these days kasi nga door-to-door ang delivery and mas cheaper ang shipping and handling fee. By the way, we are unboxing this air purifier from Sharp model FPJ30E which cost us 6,710 pesos and got this sa mismong Sharp flagship store ng Lazada. Medyo pricey nga siya na halos kapresyo na din ng aircon. We decided to get one kasi nga super allergic namin sa alikabok, especially si Bran at ako na halos every morning bahing ng bahing. We are really trying to look for some remedy to lessen our allergic rhinitis at air purifier talaga ang one of the recommendations to have. It took me days to research which purifier to get and I was torn between the Xiaomi or this Sharp purifier. Mas maganda kasi ang feedback nitong Sharp because it has a HEPA filter and it claims to suppress airborne viruses and has Plasmacluster which releases positive and negative ions to make indoor air pure and clean. Brand-wise na din, it's a Japanese brand na known for its good quality. It is good for an area of 23 square meters which is ideal for small living rooms or bedrooms. It has different buttons to set the purifier and very basic lang. Madali lang siyang i-operate. So fast forward tayo, after 1 month namin napaggamit ng air purifier, ito na ang outcome. Marami ng alikabok na naipon and as you can see, medyo umitim na ang filter. So it only proves na it is working and catches dust and particles in the air. That's all for this video. Bye-bye!